What you will see here is a simplified demonstration of a fast and effective method that completely cleanses small and large bodies of water of all oil contamination, whereby the absorbed oil is recovered and can be used again. In this method, no chemicals of any kind are applied. The used material is a specifically treated waste product that is available in large quantities. This method can be used in all waters regardless the size of the contaminated area, under the surface, in deep waters, and even on the floor, be it a pond or an ocean. The oil you see here is raw crude oil as it is drilled from the earth, containing highly toxic substances. It is not refined or processed mineral oil such as grease for engines. It is difficult to get in this original state. 1 gallon of this raw crude oil poisons 1 million gallons of water. It took almost 4 months to finally close the oil leak in the Gulf of Mexico. But how much oil really did flow into the water? There were no measurements at all for the first month. Independent scientists believe that it was in those first few weeks that the most oil spilled into the Gulf. Meanwhile, they have found massive amounts of oil deep underwater in the form of huge plumes that are many miles long. And the toxic oil components that are apparently evaporating, where are they going? These substances have not just disappeared, but are now in the air that we breathe. Even though it is called the worst environmental disaster that we ever had, it is even worse. Just imagine what the estimate of over 1 million gallons of this toxic oil pouring into the ocean every day for over 100 days does to the life on our planet. All oceans are one body of water. Even though we are now made believe that things are not so bad and mostly under control, no real solution has been found yet, and it needs to be said loud and clear. Our life on planet Earth is under threat. Pseudo-solutions, like the one where tons of chemicals make the oil sink beneath the surface, are mainly used as a public relations strategy, in the sense of out of sight, out of mind. But without a truly effective solution which offers a complete cleanup of this massive oil contamination, our oceans are dying, and that will end life on Earth. Here is the solution. This demonstration shows in real time how fast the water gets cleansed of all the oil without any residual toxic substances. The specifically treated waste product that is applied now is available in nearly unlimited quantities. We call it Oilmagnet. It not only absorbs the visible parts of the crude oil, but also all its toxic substances, which is not possible with any other method. Little is known about the massive daily leak of thousands of gallons of oil in the deep water drillings all over the planet due to technology. This in itself is an ongoing disaster. The material is now removed from the water, having cleansed it from the crude oil and all its toxic substances. Now the material can be squeezed, and in this way the oil can be recovered for further use. To clean the ocean is a huge undertaking, and it can be done. Here is a method providing a real chance. Will it be taken?